Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we would be making something very easy. Today is our DIY day. We would be making ginger powder from scratch. Now all you need is your freshly washed or clean ginger roots. Okay, make sure your knife is sharp and then cut your ginger roots into slices just like so. And as you all know, ginger is very medicinal, and you could use it for your cooking, and you could even use it for like cough and cold remedy. You could add some honey to it and make it into a mixture to treat cough and cold. Okay, so that's our ginger, nicely sliced. That looks really nice. And then we'll be transferring it into our air fryer. You could put it in your oven as well at 60-degree, or you could sun dry if you're in a country that is very sunny. Okay, but because we lack sun in my location, I will be using my air fryer, and I'll be dehydrating for 6 hours. But if you've cut your ginger and it's not so thin, after 6 hours just check if it's really dry, and if it's not, you could just repeat the process until it's like dry and all the moisture in the ginger root is all out. Okay, and after the dehydration process, for me, as you can see, my ginger root is looking very dry, and I would be transferring it into a blender. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend away. Just like so. So that's our ginger powder ready, and you could store it into an airtight container. Shelf life is really long. If you've watched this video up to this point, please go to the comment section and type in fantastic and come back to continue watching. For my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. I see all your support, I see all the love, I see the show of love, and I'm grateful for that. Thank you so much. And for my new subscribers, I want to say thank you and welcome to the family. You would love it right here. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.